June what? June 6th?
June 6th.
June 6th, 2013. We are at the River Gambler at Polson Pier. And this is Yelp's what? Nauti by Nauti by nature or something. Alright? And we're on the upper deck, and the lower deck, everything's for free. We are about to take off. We're heading down to the lower deck right now, and this is where the party is, and we also have a mermaid.
Oi! Oi, oi! Hi everyone. Hi. Welcome aboard Yelp Toronto's Naughty by Nature. Thank you. I just want to say a few thank yous and make a couple very quick announcements. First of all, thank you to Epic Cruises. They threw this party. They welcomed us aboard. They are feeding us. Tip them. There are jars around everywhere. Tip these people. They are wonderful. Now moving on to the people that are making the party a little extra fun. Mill Street. And Barefoot Wine and Bubbly. This is good. Now I want to thank Bear Moon Entertainment upstairs, along with that choir for providing us with so much entertainment. OMG Baked Goodness, they've got sweets, cupcakes, cookies happening over there, pop chips, and our friends at Uber here, because I think you're going to have a couple drinks. They've got codes to get you home for free, pretty much. So talk to them. Wait, did I mention tip your servers? I hope so. Okay, also, tonight we're sponsoring the MS Society of Canada, which is a charity that's very near and dear to my heart. There's some great prizes. If you donate more than $10, you're entered to win. So if you haven't already, please take some time to go make a donation. Again, tonight's pretty free for y'all, so it'd be really nice to give. Giving is good. Okay, we are setting sail. There have been rumors that we are not. We are about to leave the dock. So have some drinks and enjoy the sunshine. Thank you very much for coming.
Yeah, we were sort of because I'm increased pricing like no, they had the fountain. So you question
The secret is not to pose.
No, come on, that's how you know we're gonna have selfies, man. It was like insta pose.
This is Bobby, okay, the anti-social man.
I'm not shy. Yo, did you get any fish? Huh? Did you get any fish?
No, they don't have fish, man.
I'm gonna get a drink.
So Raymond, what does your fox do when you're not at a party?
It sits in a cool, temperature-controlled room.
It's looking real low.
You come first. Actually, I shouldn't say that. People won't. I don't want anyone to go there and burn the place down. This is me and Bobby. He's against my fashion faux pas. I'm pretty sure he's pushing me down. I'm not going to push you down.
I have about 50 more organic.
What's that? Of course it's a video.
I was ready for a picture with this stuff. Apparently we take a lot of pride. Me and Raymond are going upstairs.
We're going to the upper deck
Fucking marvelous.
to get a superior view. There's Chris. Hey, Chris. There seems to be another party here.
Just went upstairs. Disco pit.
It is a disco in here.
Fucking fantastic.
Sorry, mate. some, well, to get replenished, number one. I'll have a limited edition, please. Let's get a plug.
I know. Hey, what do you think?
It's just so hot. Alright, it is
It's the liberal me. Hates a conservative.
whatever. It's 10:30, the party's over. We are dismounting the water vessel.
Once again, we are at where are we? What is this? Gourmet, right? Chinese gourmet. I forgot. House Gourmet. We are back at House of Gourmet. As a fluff is flying. As a fluff from my fur is flying off into other people's tables. And that's the end of the night. Hi. Hello. How are you?
My credit's in the red. I tried to skip the fare. Ticket inspectors